Hey developers, lots of companies hiring for the intern as well as full-time role. So start with the first company. HP is hiring for the college intern role and the work location is Bangalore. Talking about the required qualification, currently pursuing a bachelor degree in CS, IT or technical field. You can apply for this role. Means B.Tech and who is going to pass out in 2026 and 27 batch. You can apply for this role. And the required skills and programming language, basic programming or scripting knowledge, languages like Python, Java, C++, and other requirements like strong interest in high tech and a passion for learning. So these are the required education and skills. And here are the key responsibilities you have to work in internship, like assist with maintaining and update hardware, software or other technical systems, support senior team members on assigned technical projects are determined by the business unit. So you can read more here and get better knowledge and understanding about the role. Now move to the next hiring by the Lumil for the product developer role. React.js. It is a full-time job and talking about the work location Chennai and talking about the required qualification 2025 computer science graduate willing to pursue a career in product development means 2025 pass out graduate can apply for this role. And here is the required skills like basic understanding of Redux, REST API, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Git, GitHub, VS Code, WebStorm, test case execution, debugging, UX principle, grid and metrics, CSS used in React projects. So these are the basic requirements for this role. More you can read here. Now move to the next hiring by the S&P Global for the apprentice Scrum Master role. And the work location is Ahmedabad. Talking about the required qualification, freshers only, B.Tech or M.Tech, ME or MCA, MSc students who is passing in 2024 or 25 can apply for this role. And here are the required skills: excellent communication skills, both written or oral, AWS means cloud knowledge, database knowledge, coding, programming and management principle knowledge. So these are the required qualifications and skills. And the duration of the internship is 12 months. And here is the key responsibilities for this role. So you can read it. Now move to the next hiring by the Capgemini for the contact support group CSG. Capgemini Accelerator program means this hiring for the contact support group role and the work location in Noida. Talking about the required qualifications, candidate must have completed any 3-year diploma graduate. And talking about the required skills, should have good interpersonal skills and ability to perform under pressure, basic computing skills, willing to work in 24/7 environment. Candidate must be open to relocate to any location and work in night shift. So these are the main highlights of this role. And here is the CTC 3 LPA 3.25 LPA. Move to the next hiring by the Alkira for the software engineer UI developer role. And this job is full time. Work location is Bangalore. Talking about the required qualification, require BS or equivalent in EE or CS. Means B.Tech can apply for this role. And required skills like JavaScript programming language, debugging skills, DSA, operating system knowledge. Prefer 6 months of internship of professional React, Redux or modern framework experience is a plus. Working knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, understanding of CS, LS, knowledge. Mean it is around the designing skills. Now move to the next hiring by the HP and this job is full time graduate software engineer role and the first one is the college intern role. And this HP hiring is for the interns and this is for the full time. Talking about the work location Bangalore. Now move to the required qualification, bachelor degree in CS or related field or master is also eligible. And typically 0 to 2 years of experience means freshers can also apply for this role. Talking about the required skills, programming skills in Python, Java, Golang or JavaScript, basic understanding of testing, coding and debugging procedures, ability to quickly learn new skills and technologies and work well with other team members, good written and verbal communication skill, understanding of DevOps practice like CI/CD. And here is the additional skill requirement for this role. So end this video, all job apply links below in the description and also mention expected salary details. So hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skill Air for more job updates.